Welcome back to Steel Mill Builds. Today you can see I got the body pushed back and we're working on a transmission cross member. I got a couple of pieces fabbed up in there. Looks like it's going to be pretty heavy duty. You have to cut, you can see there's a plate there. I'm going to cut some plates to go here. We'll put a couple of bolts in there, bolt that up, and we'll go to town. So I'm going to set you up and we'll get to it. So here's our mount. We're just going to put some gussets in here. We'll drill a couple of holes each side. We'll sink some nut zerts into the body or the frame rails, and we'll be all set. So I'm going to set you down over here. And we'll do a little welding. I tacked in the cross member. So what I'm going to do now is we'll disassemble the mock-up stuff. Then I'm going to go back. I'll drill my 3/8 holes for the mount to bolt to the frame. Then I'm going to drill some bigger holes and weld in some nuts to hold that in place. So I will just set you back down over here. All right, we're back. Transmission mount is finished welded. We'll do a little grinding on it, clean up the corners and round it out a little bit, make it look finished. While I got the tranny and engine out, I'll finish off these mounts. I'll do the finish welds on them. Right now, the transmission, I don't know what I'm going to do with. I may rebuild it. It may just be used as a core. I might sell it as a core. Who knows? The engine's going to the machine shop to be cleaned and checked, bored, decked if need be, but that's another time. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.